in here because it's a melting population of Nigeria from all geopolitical zones. But like you rightly pointed out, a lot of Igbos are living here to do business and also to make their investments as residents. I am an Igbo man and also a Nigerian, and I'm part of this government. I'm one of the faces of Igbos in leadership. So no longer can the Igbos say we are not part of the administration. This did not happen in the previous administration. If you look at the succession leadership of the country for 8 years, there was no Igbo person there. Now they see me every day participate in the governance of this country. And I know that is a big message to my people, that they are not alienated, that they are not marginalized out of the current government. That is a campaign tool already for this administration. But suffice that to say that this administration has made a huge impact in the FCT. Under the government of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, there is a great difference from what he used to be and what it is at the moment. And I want to also thank the Minister Wike, who has done tremendously well in not just impacting the urban areas of FCT, but making governance to be felt even at the grassroots. That is our campaign tools. That is what we are taking to the market. We are taking beyond posters. We are taking beyond radio jingles. We are taking beyond campaign slogans into the FCT. We are saying the fact speaks for itself. You can feel our development. You can touch and experience what we have brought as dividends of democracy. So there is going to be less job for us to do. Yes, we struggled in the time past because there were no visible evidence of the impact of the government within the FCT. But no reasonable person can say the same thing currently. So we are here to convince our people that the government that has done this for the people of the FCT and the residents, that they are charged to do the more. If given the opportunity to provide leadership in the 6 area councils of this FCT and in the 68 council membership of the FCT, we are ready. I am the secretary of this campaign council, and I can assure you that we will bring the energy of the young minds, the innovative mindedness of the young people to push the agenda to the grassroots. We will be on the streets, we will be in every household, we will go door to door, business to business to sell the message of APC. It will no longer be mentioned that APC lost election in Abuja. That was in the time past. We are about rewriting the history. And my people that I love so much, the people, my Igbo people that I love and who loves me, will not allow me to be ashamed, knowing fully well that I'm at the helm of affairs to make sure that the bulk votes of the Igbo communities in Abuja, that we harvest them for the greatest party within the black race that is called the APC. So I am ready to bring my brothers. If you look around, you will see a lot of my brothers are joining this City Boy movement, Renewed Hope partners, Renewed Hope ambassadors. All of them, we are going to come together, collaborate to make sure we deliver the FCT. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Members of the committee can please file in and fill the National Campaign Council, the leadership of the Governor of Kwara State, His Excellency, and also the leadership of the National Assembly. Mr. Chairman, further to this, we have also take care of APC and Buhari Area Council, the Governor of Delta, who is also here with us. Having made this Thank you, National Chairman. It is important to make the point.
The new nation.
Who go bring am now? This guy.